Hi guys, this is Sai Kumar Kurtivada. In this video, we will learn about HTML headings and what is the importance of HTML headings. I have discussed about elements, attributes and introduction to our HTML in my previous videos. Please watch that for better understanding. Let me quickly jump into Visual Studio Code. Here, what we will do is we'll create our headings, and before writing our headings we have to know what is the importance of headings. First case, importance of headings is it is used for search engine. So what is meant by search engine? That is nothing but if you are searching something in the Google, how it is getting triggered and how that particular website is getting onto the top of the link. So that is about indexing. So whenever you are using a proper h1 h2 tags like headings tags, then whenever people searches something, and that search engine will understand to get the data which is having this h1 h2 pointing, and they will catch the data of that h1 and h2. That is about search engine indexing. So it is very important for our search engine indexing. So search engine indexing. So this is useful for search engine indexing. So how to give this h1 h2 tags? For example, you want to give a very big HTML content and it looks like a heading, then you can go with h1 tag. For example, we have h1 tag heading, and if you go to the browser and reload, you can see heading which is having a bold, dark and heavy weight. Let me inspect this and I'll show you what is this default values. So if you see here, the default values of this is font size of 2 em. 1 em is equal to 16 pixel. 2 em is equal to 32 pixel. So if I want to change this, you can change by using style attribute, but we should not do that. It is not recommended. Whenever you want to use h1, use it as it is. Okay, if you want to override it, you can override by using the styles, by using font hyphen size, and you have to give some set of size 40 pixel. Let me go here, save this, go here and reload. Now if you see the inline style, the style got applied and your pixel got incremented and the default behavior has been overridden. So this is how you can change your h1 tag and its behavior. So let me go here, let me use the default one. This is my default one which is having over 32 pixel. So let me go here and see, this is 32 heading with 32 pixel. Save this, go here and reload. Now how many different types we have? We have many types of HTML heading tags, that is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So we can make this as h2, and let me close this as h2, and let me give it as h3. Copy this, put it over here, h4, copy this, put it over here, h5, copy this, put it over here, h6, and copy this, put it over here. So there are 6 default headings which are given by our HTML elements, and we'll find each and every pixel and we'll put it over here. Let me go here and reload. You got six different headings. Let me go here, select this one, and if you see 1.5 em, so it is always hard part to calculate this 1.5 em. So you have em to pixel converters, online converters, if you can use them if you are confusing in the initial stages. Let me use something like 1.5 em and convert this, that is equivalent to 24 pixel. So this is 24 pixel. Let me go here and put it like 24 pixel, and now the same way we will convert all the cases. Let me go here and let me convert this 1.17. so let me go here and give 1.17 and convert it. You have 18.72 pixel. So this is 18.72 pixel, 18.72 pixel. And now let me go and select the fourth one. So if you see, I have selected something over here and that is highlighted over here. So this is h4. h4 is having 1.33 pixel. So let me use 1.33 pixel. Now 1.33 em, and now we got like 21.28 pixel. So let me go here and put it over here. It is 21.28. So it is wrong actually speaking. Let me go here and reload, save this and go here, reload, and let me go here with it, that is fourth one. Not sure why h4 is not showing any value. Maybe it should be something like below above 0.83. Let me point to this 0.83. So let me give 0.83 em and convert this. It is 13.28 pixel. Let me copy this, and it is 13.28. I think it is not the correct value. Let me close this. Let me remove it and let me add pixel for this. And last one is h6. Let me go and point to h6. Now for h6 you got 0.67 em, so that is equivalent to 0.6. So let me go here 0.67 and convert this. You have 10.72. Let me go here and add it here, 10.72 pixel, and this would be 16 pixel. So that's why it is not showing 1 pixel, that is 1 em. So whenever it is 1 em, it is not showing to us, and hence it is 16 pixel. It is 32 pixel and it is 16 pixel, and everything is segregated over here with all the different types of font size. And if you want to override, you can override by using your style attribute. So that's about your heading tags, and it is very important. So we have h1 to h6, which is having all the different types of font sizes. So let me summarize this. Headings are very important for your web pages or websites for search engine indexing, and this has a set of elements like h1 to h6, and each and every element has a specific font size which is defined, and we have already pointed all the values over here. So it is always recommended to use your heading tags wherever it is required. And if you want to show something on bold which you want to look like a heading, do not use heading tags. Only for headings you use that heading tags. We'll see some more elements in the next upcoming video. Hope you like my explanation. If you like my video, like, share, subscribe to my channel for more updates. Signing off. Thank you.